Good evening friends, here I'm going to show you the fundamental analysis of NGL Finechem Limited. You can see the company is in the manufacture of pharmaceutical intermediates for the uses of veterinary and human health. Cater the global companies to custom manufacture high quality pharmaceuticals with reliability and flexibility. Companies modeled around the changing customer demand and ability to offer the value added innovative solutions to meet and exceed these demands. Four commitment for the company is the product quality, reliability, cost effectiveness and registration solutions. You can see about the companies having a lot of activities. Along with, you can see the company's development product. You can see companies having product API animal health, API human health, intermediate and finished doses form. So let's check the API human health here. So you can see that company is having a lot of chemicals, which is very important for the and critical for the critical drug product. I think this is very good chemical company, and the future of this chemical company is very bright because the livelihood is the human being is that they are taking the medicines for every kind of diseases. Now you can also check that the companies here established in 1981 and actually Finechem manufacturer market and API intermediate and finished dosage form for human and animal health pharmaceutical product, cater the various Indian and global human high quality and reliable product. You can see that company's market cap 1650, current price 2669. You can see the high is 3789, low is 780, stock P25, book value 252, dividend is 0.07, return on capital employed 51.9, return on equity 43.2, face value 5, Altman score is 25.9. You can see number of shares 0.6, growth factor 5, Piotrowski 8, reserve power 9.26, price power is, you can see here price power is 0.09, asset power you can see 3.22, place is 0, peg ratios you can see 0.67, solidity 1. Company never dilute their equity. This is the actually sign of this solidity. You can see the long-term chart of the companies. People who invested in this company since long time actually must be basically billionaires and making a crores. You can say you can see the pros of the companies, that companies has reduced debt, is almost debt free. Company is expected to give good quarter, has delivered good profit growth 37.22. Company has good return on equity. Okay, and one con is that company is trading at 10.6 of times of this book value. Company doing same business done by the, you can say, Device, Gland, Lupin, Jubilant, Granules, Sika, Larti. Company sales growth, you can see here that company sales growth 2018 to 2019 35 to 40, 35 to 15%. After that, there's some downturn happened to the 1920, and then company is getting again turn around, U-turn growth, and you can say how company is having the September 83%, December 95%, March 102%. So overall, if you see the last 3 years, the company is growing from 39 crore to now 76 crore. Operating margin, you can see earlier 18-20%, now it is 30% margin. Very good for the company. Net profit, you can see earlier 4 crore, now it is 19-14 crore. Very good sign. Sales, you can see how the company's 10-year profit and loss. If you check profit and loss statement for 10 year, in March 2010. The company is having sales 30 crore, now it's 258 crore. Excellent exponential growth in the sales. Excellently, company managed operating profit from 5 crore to now 77 crore. Operating margin, you can 16% to now 33%. Excellent growth. Interest, company reducing their interest from 3 crore to 2 crore last 2 to 3 years. Net profit also growing from 3 crore to 55 crore. Okay, very good sign for the company. Components, you can see component sales growth for the company is 22%, profit growth is 37%, CAGR 53%. If you talk about the return on equity is 27%. One of the positive sign for this and for the all investors, that company never dilute their equity capital. Intact equity capital is 3 crore to 3 crore, never change their particular position. Reserve, you can see how the company reserve is also growing from 11 crore to now 152 crore. Very good sign for the company. Company reducing their borrowing also from 28 crore to 16 crore. Okay, very good sign. You can say other assets, companies investment is also growing from 30 to other asset. You can see cash and bank just 4 crore. Company has some low cash, but no problem at all. Inventory is 37 crore, trade is 37 crore, loan and advance 14 crore. Very good company, a company maintaining very good and exponential growth in the assets. Some maintaining some normal cash flow, not very healthy, but you can say debtor days improved from 63 to 53, inventory days improved from 154 to 32, days payable also improved 106 to 77, cash conversion cycle improved from 111 to 108, working capital also improved 110 to 85. Okay, return on capital employed improved by 15% to 52%. Promoter holding increased you can see in June 2019 the promoter holding is 65, in September 19 73.83, and 73.81 is still intact holding by the company. Public is also holding intact. You can see that who are the public: MSCI, PIFNO Chemicals. Okay, very good company. And always check the here information on the annual report, but please check with your advisor before buying stock. Okay, hope this video helped you understand the fundamental analysis of NGL Fine Chem Limited. Thank you, have a nice day, bye bye.